Hi everyone! This video covers important changes happening to MindManager's license deployment and administration features in autumn of 2020. After you purchase MindManager, you'll receive a license certificate or order confirmation. This document provides everything you and your team needs to get started using MindManager. If you're purchasing MindManager for yourself or a small group, getting up and running is simple. Just install MindManager and input the license key from your certificate into the software. Let's take a look at how that works. Sarah is an employee at biotech. She's already installed MindManager, so after launching, she can either sign in or create an account to input her license key. Newly created accounts have to verify their email, so be sure to check your email and click the link in the email before clicking Continue on this page. Now that Sarah's account has been successfully created, it's time to enter the license key. Click Enter License Key on the screen that shows up, and then simply copy and paste the license key from the license certificate into the field provided. Sarah's software is activated. With the software activated, Sarah can also see her account details from the top right corner of the application. On the Account Details page, you'll see all the information about licenses you've purchased from autumn 2020 and beyond. You can see the expiration date, the product name, and even who owns the license. If you're working with consultants or you're part of a large enterprise, you may not want to expose your license key to the end users. In this case, we suggest using the License Administration portal, which is new in autumn 2020. To get started using the administration portal, locate the License Administration Portal registration link on your license certificate. This special link will allow you to either sign in with an existing account or create a new account to access your personal license administration portal. In this example, Frank, the IT manager for biotech, will create a new account to use the license administration portal. This is the License Administration home screen. From here you can view all the products your company or you have purchased. You can see the status, the expiration date, the license key, the number of seats that have been used and the total number of seats that you own, as well as all the administrators that are allowed to administrate these licenses. To add an admin, simply click Add Admin. Here you can enter an email address. The users you enter here will be marked as pending until they create their account and sign in as an admin. Let's take a look at license administration. To administrate a license, choose the license you want to administrate and click on the Administrate button on the right-hand side. This is the license administration page. Here you can see all the details for the license that you selected. Notice that Sarah is listed here as a user of this license. She entered the license key into the product earlier. The license administration screen lets you view anyone who's using the license, regardless of how they were assigned the license. In order to add users for this license without exposing the license key, click Add Users. Here you can enter email addresses, or you can import a CSV. In this case, I'm using a CSV I prepared earlier that has a list of 4 email addresses. Now that the users have been added to this license, they're all able to use MindManager as soon as they create or sign in with an account using an email address that matches one of the ones I've added here. If Sarah were to leave the company, blocking them would be as simple as deactivating their account. Deactivating their account means that the user cannot re-input your license key, and when they try to launch the software, they'll see a message in the app that says their license has been revoked. When you deactivate a user, they no longer use the seat for the license. This allows you to reallocate that seat to another user. You can always reactivate a user at any time, and if you'd like to remove them from the list entirely, just select Remove from the drop-down menu. If you're managing a large pool of users, the user search will help you find the user you need to deactivate or remove. Simply type the user you're looking for into the user search field. The results page will show anyone who matches that name and the number of products that are assigned to them. Click on Details to view the licenses assigned to that user and deactivate any licenses as needed. But what if you don't want your end users to go through the hassle of creating a MindManager account and remembering a new password? Or what if you want to make sure your end users are using multi-factor authentication to access MindManager Cloud services? As an enterprise customer, we have a solution for you. You can connect your single sign-on provider to MindManager. Doing this will allow your end users to sign in using your company credentials instead of creating new MindManager accounts. Also, when you enable this, all account-related security policies like multi-factor authentication or specific password rules your company may have are enforced when using MindManager software and services. Single sign-on configuration requires information about configuration to be exchanged between your IT department and the MindManager IT department. Our customer support teams are available to help you through the process. To get started, just follow the instructions found in the administration portal. Let's take a look at how this works. In this example, Biotech has already allowed MindManager to connect to Microsoft Azure for authentication. Now Frank can add single sign-on users using the same method we showed previously. When a user from the Biotech domain, which has been already configured during the SSO setup process, tries to sign in or create an account, the software detects that that user is from Biotech and already has single sign-on enabled. The user is then redirected to Microsoft to complete their sign-in. After signing in, the user is already activated and ready to use the software without ever having created a MindManager account. We hope these changes make license deployment and administration easier, provide previously unavailable controls, and unleash the full potential for valuable account-based services in the future. If you still have questions, please contact customer support at mindmanager.com. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.